Hi, this is Ceylan. I'd like to introduce you Women's Balance Academy ZenFitGourmet program. The purpose of this program is to be your guide, your friend, your helping hand, and your community during your own wellness journey, especially the pre, during, and postmenopause years. Let me show you how it looks like. You can choose different packages. You will have your own account. And when you sign in, you reach to the feed part. I'm gonna, send you messages here. How are you doing? How are you feeling? Or if I find something interesting in the supermarket or in a pharmacy, I'm gonna send you that. You can ask me questions. This is going to be our own kind of little Facebook that we share everything. This is our community place. So everything you need is here. There are some quizzes for you to, keep up the fire a bit. The live call schedule is here. We're gonna meet every 2 weeks. You can ask your questions, you can join live, or you can listen to the recordings. And when you go to the Balance Academy, you can see summary of the course. You can start the course here. We created 22 lessons, 7 modules, and it's going to keep growing. You can do on your own, at your own time. These are recorded. You can do it whenever you like. In addition to these, you have 3 sections. One is the Zen, where you have recorded yoga videos, meditations, my favorite yoga nidras. And here you also have PDFs that you can download. And I'm gonna keep feeding this. I'm creating new meditations and new yoga classes for you. In the fit part, which is my very special one, we have workout videos prepared for women, and there are some self-care PDFs. And my favorite videos, we're preparing new ones. We're gonna feed in. In the gourmet part, you're gonna have access to my recipes, meal planning, and other useful PDFs you can download. When we have the seasonal cleanses, we're gonna add the detox meal plans, detox recipes. And another community place is the forums. It's going to be more focused on these topics. We're going to have these discussions and you can join in the discussions, and I'm going to be moderating and guiding and motivating you to be here. So that's the Balance Academy's ZenFitGourmet program. Once you become a member, you will have access to all of this from your computer, from your phone, from your iPad. It's really easy access. I want to remind you that this is a platform where you can do on your own timing. There is no time pressure on you. Discover everything slowly. You can listen, digest, and go to the next lesson on your own time. So I'm very excited and very happy that you are here. I hope that you enjoy the platform and the program and you become part of this wonderful community. Sending you big hugs